Georgie likes to eat, guys. Ooh. Have you ever seen Georgie eat food? Have we ever vlogged that?
Like 1,000 times.
Well, here you go. I know we all like to. Oh, go, Georgie! Yeah! So, in today's vlog, we're going to be making tsoureki, which is a traditional Greek Easter bread because, guys, look at Georgie turning his head. Because, guys, Greek Easter is this weekend, so it's our Good Friday, so Orthodox Easter. It's happening, so Good Friday's on Friday, Saturday's Easter Saturday, Sunday's Easter Sunday, you guys know the drill. So this is our Holy Week, so there's a lot of baking that we do in this week, and Georgie's so excited for food. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients for Greek tsoureki. My mum's got all the ingredients here. Hi, Mum.
Hi.
Are you excited to make tsoureki? So, do you want to run through all the ingredients that we have? Wow, my mum is so organized. Look at you. She's got all the ingredients measured out. So I'm going to put the recipe below in the description. Oh my god, look at all the egg yolks. Wow.
10 eggs, yeah.
Oh my god, and a little ingredient that my grandma likes to add is orange rind. Do you want the skin of an orange?
Yes.
So that just adds some extra flavor. And it smells amazing right now.
And the juice of the orange as well.
Oh, that's a nifty little
really
trick.
Nice flavour.
Oh, thanks, Liza.
Okay, so we'll just put in the sugar. Do is you've got to mix the yeast.
So we're cooking with Liza, and look at Georgie, her sous chef behind. Okay, so you've mixed the yeast with the flour now.
With the warm water.
Okay, so is it like room temperature or like boiled water?
Room temperature, a cup of water, which is room temperature.
Okay, and is that yeast? Is that what yeast looks like?
That's the soft yeast, and I'm just mixing that through first. Just to dissolve it a little bit.
Okay.
And then I'm going to put a little bit of flour in it as well, just to give it a nice, soft, like a
Okay,
paste.
so that's the first step.
Then we have to leave it for half an hour to rise.
Okay,
In a nice
perfect.
warm temperature.
All right.
Yeah, in a nice
Oh, so
warm
really,
area.
so that's like how you make the dough. That's just the first bit,
You've got to
those two
start-
things.
That's the first bit.
And you let it rise.
Let it
Okay.
rise for about half an hour.
Oh, all right, let's do it.
A little bit of the flour with it as well.
Okay, so you're adding flour now.
Yep.
Very well. Georgie, what are you doing?
Sweetheart, are you helping me today?
Are you cooking with your
I've got my little chef with me today.
Hi. My mum now is covering the, what do you call it, yeast, the mixture?
Yeah, yes.
And you have to put it in a warm, humid place
For half an hour.
for half an hour. So that's the first bit done. Hey, Georgie. High five.
High five, little one.
High five to you,
High five.
So, Mum, what are you doing? So you're getting the mastica ready for when the dough has rise to put it all in. Can I try? This is what it comes in, guys.
Yeah.
This is what it looks like. It's like these little particles, see? Then you crush it. Can I give it a go? And you crush it into like a powder.
Yes.
I want to give it a go. Just crushing some more mastica. I think it's tree sap. I'm going to look up what mastica is. But it smells amazing. It smells like grease. Guys, check this out. Look at the mastica. Wow. Okay, ready for the next part. Okay, so the sugar's in. So the next ingredient, what's this one? More sugar.
No, that's the salt.
Oh, salt. Okay, salt. Now oil.
Yep, that's correct.
Oil. Oh, this is so easy when it's all measured out. Muhlep.
Muhlep. Muhlep?
I can't say it. What is this?
It's a special spice as well. And then, yeah.
And then this is the mastica,
Yeah.
or grinded up. So it's actually tree sap. I feel like I need to get. Oh, it's sticking. Okay, so all the ones that I've done, I'm just gonna. The orange juice.
Yep, that's correct.
Orange juice. Ooh, from fresh oranges. Orange rind, right? Do I mix it all together yet? With this spoon? And now I'm going to mix it all together, guys. Ooh! Look at me go. Are you sure I'm doing this right? It smells so good. Okay, now I'm going to pour in the milk. Guys, you're supposed to pour in the milk before you start mixing, but I don't think it really matters. Now we're gonna mix all this together. Like so. All dissolve. Because the milk's a little bit warm, it's gonna help dissolve all that sugar. It's actually quite a complicated dish. And as you guys can see, the dough is really risen. Guys, this next move is a little weird. My hands have been washed like 3 times. So I pour in a yolk at a time and mix it with my fingers, apparently. I have to break it up with my fingers. This feels really funny. Okay, I'm ready to pour in more. Oh my god. You have to break them up. Am I doing good?
Really well, Seth.
Good. Oh my god, this is so gooey. Nick's just working, guys. Oh wow, look at that texture. So I've mixed all the yolks together, and if you have a look at the yeast, this is doubled in size. So now I'm going to put the yeast into this mixture.
Just keep
Mixing. My hand is a mixture. My dad's just walked in, everyone. Yeast is really weird. And guys, have a look at this. This is what it should look like. And you just use your hands as a mix master, like so. Okay guys, see these 2 bowls of flour that needs to go into the mixture. So, but you've got to do it a little bit at a time. So I'm just gonna shovel away and mix it in with my hand, like so.
Yo, I'm back. In the house. What have you guys done?
Look at my hands.
Oh, Georgie just woke up. You can hear me.
Guys, look at my hands. It's like I have gloves on.
Okay, so what's going on?
We're making the bread with
We're
love.
making tsoureki.
With my bare hands.
I'm coming, Georgie. I'm coming.
Go get Georgie. Go get Georgie.
Hey. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Daddy's here, man. Daddy's here.
Guys, now my mum's gonna take over because look at my hands. It's like I have this like coating on them. It's like coating.
Looks great. Is this what it's meant to do?
Yes, that's correct.
Oh, is this what your Poppy's hands do every year?
Yes,
Oh my god. Yasta Heyasu, what is it?
Just a hair, all right.
Oh, yes. It's a great cooking
This is,
show now.
yeah, we have a lot of Greek people watching and they asked for the recipe and we're giving it to you step by step. Can I eat it?
No, don't eat that.
Hi, chef. Sorry, I was talking to the real chef behind you. Georgie. No, not in the mouth. You can play with the dough though. Oh, he's enjoying himself here. The little Greek Tsoureki chef you are. Yes, you are. And my mum is just evening them out so we can start the fun part, the plaiting. Okay guys, hang on, let me zoom out. I'm holding the baby, so it's a little bit difficult, but you guys are gonna see my mum do one now. Look how good hers looks over there. All right, show us your secret, Liza. Oh, and Georgie is shaking on the camera. Off you go. All right, I'm gonna come around. Oh, Georgie, you have to let go of the camera. Georgie, yeah, here we go. I've got a up close view. So you just plait it. So to all our non-Greek subscribers, you can have a go at this week while you're in isolation at home. Why not? It tastes really good and it's really easy. That's all you do. You just plait it like so. And then you're gonna put an egg on the top. Now you can also do it with no egg if you like. So you just plait it, then you put the egg in.
And then that's it. You put a nice little cross.
And then you
over
do
it.
a cross on top of the egg. So like, see how this one has a cross on it? That's what you do. You put a cross over it. So that's what my mum's doing now. These are our first 2 and we're just making some more. We've got lots of dough to get through. So we will catch up with you guys when they're all done and then again after they've risen and then once we put them in to bake. So let's go. So I'm not the best at filming because I'm holding Georgie right now. So if it's a bit weird, it's because of that. And Nick will probably get really angry when he edits the video. But he doesn't understand what it's like having a baby all day and trying to cook and work and do everything. Christos. And then we've got the fitness couple over here, my sister and her boyfriend Lorenzo. They're over here working out slow, Penny. Alright, Penny, show us your skipping.
Oh, I'm not very good at skipping.
Yeah, you're not. Wow, okay. Georgie just wants to get this camera off me. She is loving life now doing this Tsoureki cooking. I think we're going to redo them on Saturday as well so we can have fresh ones and so we can, you know, up our A&T. And this is our first attempt of ever making tsoureki without our yiya. I think we did pretty well, Mum.
I think we did really well.
Let's eat one. With some Nutella.
Yeah, I think they're great.
Oh my god, great job, Liza. Leg kick. That's all we got for you condos tonight. Catch you later, condos.
Nice job.